Hello guys, welcome to you all. In this video, I'll show you how to install Zoom on CentOS 7. So for that we need to do two things first. First is install Wget, and using Wget we should download the RPM for Zoom. Second, we should install Zoom using a sudo command, or if you're a root you can directly install Zoom, and that's it. These are the two steps required to install Zoom on CentOS 7. So let's get started. First, I'll open a terminal. Let's install Wget first. Okay, I'm not in root right now. So yum install wget -y if there's something prompt that's been asked. Okay, so wget is already there. Now let's get Zoom RPM from the Zoom website. For that, I'll give that in the description below, so you can just copy that from there and paste it here using wget. And this is a link to get the RPM of Zoom from Zoom website, and just click enter. Guys, now the installation, we have now downloaded the Zoom RPM, so we can just check if it is there in the directory. You can see Zoom is there in the directory. Okay, now you can install this Zoom using local install. So it is downloading the dependencies right now, and I hope so. You can just give OK for that. Yes. So guys, now Zoom is now installed on this, and to view the installed Zoom you can just close this application. You can go to close the terminal, and you can go to applications and internet, and you will have the Zoom ready to be opened. Guys, you can just sign in here, or if you want to join a meeting with this meeting ID and password, you can join it directly from here, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.